Hey guys, Jared with Trout and Fly Fishing, and today we're going to tie a great little dry fly. We're going to tie Charlie Craven's mole fly, which is cool, really simple, small little pattern. It works really well for selective trout. Let's get started. Okay, so for this fly I just have a down eye curved shank hook, and the down eye is important for how it floats in the water, and I'll show you that at the end. So to start this off, I'm just going to grab two CDC feathers, line their tips, measure them on the hook shank, so about the length of the shank, and tie them right about a hook's length, or hook eye length, behind the eye. So right about there, right on top of the hook shank. I'm going to bring this back right about to the point there, trim that off close, and that's going to help me create my taper, because this fly has a slight taper to it. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of dubbing, and I have this in a light olive color. This fly fishes well for me in olives for BWOs, a light cream, and then a darker fly in a larger size, so like a brown. Alright, so just dub this nice and tight. Start wrapping back. And I want my dubbing body to start right at that bend there. And then bring this forwards. Just trying to create a slight taper. And just a little bit more dubbing. Alright. I'm going to bring my thread up in front of the wing, put a couple wraps in front of the wing, and then whip finish. Just add a little bit of head cement. And that's it. So you'll see when this fly lands in the water, and the reason you use this down eye is that it'll kind of sit at this level here with the body hanging down below, and the wing will float it. So, and I did leave a little bit of space behind the eye, and again, that's going to help you tie a leader on and keeps the fly nice and clean. That's Charlie Craven's mole fly, a great pattern for selective trout. Works really well in small streams for me. If you enjoyed this video, help us out by hitting the like button below, and don't be afraid to leave a comment. Let us know what fly patterns you'd like to see me tie next, and again, you can find all the materials at troutandflyfishing.com. Thanks for watching.